somebody's sending your homie a package. Okay, Hot Topic. I'll see you. How do I open this? Okay, there's tape. Ow. I just realized that my colorful lights aren't on, so I'm gonna fix that. Color. Okay, safety first, y'all. Put it away. All right, y'all get to see it before I do, or I have to, yeah, because I don't think I can see it if I do this. I don't know what it is. Halloween forever, period, because that's how I live my life. Let's be real, for us, it's always Halloween. Here's some treats for the ultimate scary movie night. Hashtag Halloween forever, Hot Topic. Okay, but it is festive. Okay, Jack-o'-lantern, I'll see you. Okay, you see this? The spectacularness? All right, let's see what's in this booth. Shut up, it's a candy bag. And it's candy. All right, now let's examine this goodie bag. There's a knot on my chest. Maybe I shouldn't have. So we gonna rip. Swedish fish. I mean, it's soft at least, but I don't know what they're supposed to taste like, but they don't taste delicious. But if you like them, good for you. Okay, the chocolatey drizzle Rice Krispie. Look at you with your bougie candy. This ain't even candy. This is a baked good. Come through. Oh, I'm sorry. Are there more chocolatey and rainbow? Oh, what's this? Oreos. I eat these things like potato chips. Y'all, I'm gonna be for real with y'all. I have never had Big League Chew, and I have always wanted Big League Chew. So I just want to thank Hot Topic for making this dream come true for a lowly working artist. I appreciate you. Good looking out. We got the golden Oreos. Okay. Sorry, my alarm was going off. Golden Oreos. Not the Black Forest gummies with the all natural juice. These is fire. Okay, Starburst. Because now, can any Starburst? The Fave Reds. I mean, I am partial to orange. Don't judge. But still, I'm gonna enjoy this. Multiple Sour Patch Kids, different types. Regular Skittles, wild berry Skittles, more wild berry Skittles. Yo, not one, not two, but 3 blow pups in this. Ooh. And they the flavors I like. Your homie got a ring pop. This is so cute, y'all. Ever since I started watching people watch movies on the internet, I wanted like a cute little popcorn box, and now I have one. I didn't think it was possible to stop eating popcorn out of a ramen bowl, but now, thanks to you, Hot Topic, it is. Not even the best part. Y'all, I got a blanket. I love comfy blankets on my couch. So much so that my mom actually got somebody from her church to make me a few. Oh my God, I am so excited to be cozy. I'm so excited. That is so cool. I cannot believe Hot Topic sent me that really, really neat stuff. It was super sweet. And I cannot wait to use it. And matter of fact, I'm gonna go watch a movie right now. Thank you so much for staying around and watching. Even a view is a little bit of support, and a little bit of support can go a long way. I also want to take this time to give a special thank you to my Patreon supporters, Sue Betalis, Ed, and Meg. I appreciate you. This could not happen without you. If you would like to become a Patreon, please subscribe today. I have a link in my bio as well as available under this video. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye!